5billionsales.com. Earn money using the web like you do now. Get paid for browsing the web. 5 billion sales will pay you up to $401.50 for your browsing data. That's $1.10 each day. And you can earn an extra $182.50 bonus for validating your data. Get paid for your browsing data in 4 easy steps. Register, log in, and complete a profile. Download a browser extension. Install the extension and start browsing. Validate your first data to activate account and start earning. All you do is download a browser extension and search the web as normal. We collect your browsing data and pay you for it. Sell us your browsing data. It's easy. Get paid to use Google, Facebook, Twitter, eBay, Amazon, Bing, and other search engines. We pay you for your browsing data. Browse and validate each day, and you can earn $584 this year. Keep earning $584 each year until you stop selling us your browsing data. Anyone, anywhere, can earn with 5 billion sales.